How can I make sure no important messages slip through the cracks? Hi, I'm Elliot from Workload. In this video, we're going to build a workflow starting with a new channel message in Slack. Then we're going to take the details of that message and send it as an email in Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We'll give our workflow a title. This is going to be Slack message to Gmail. I'm going to select my trigger by clicking in the trigger box. This is going to be in Slack. And the event is going to be a new message posted to a channel. Make sure we're connected to Slack. If you have any trouble connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. The channel that we're going to monitor is our test channel. And we're going to test this trigger. So we have a new message posted to the channel. How many people are coming to the Quilters conference? So we're going to send that as an email to myself. So in case I missed it in Slack, I'll also be getting that same message as an email. So I'm going to click continue. I'm going to select Gmail as my action app. And the event is going to be send email. Connect to Gmail. So I'm sending this message to myself because I'm the person who wants to make sure I don't miss any messages. I'm also going to be the from email and the reply to email for this chain. The subject I will set as Slack message. So all of the emails I get from Slack messages will have the same subject. And then the body will come from that trigger and it will be the text. And click continue and then test this action. And we have a success. So I'll click continue here. And then I'm going to check my Gmail. And you can see I received that message in my Gmail inbox. So our workflow is set up correctly. I can check and make sure there's a green dot in the top corner of each of my nodes. Then I can activate my workflow. And now every time there's a new message posted to that specific Slack channel, the contents of that message will be emailed to me in Gmail. That's how you can turn a new message in Slack into an email in Gmail. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.